Welcome back, everybody. So, Eric Stark here with Radio Arizona RV. See the sign behind me? Getting clever here, aren't I? So that's a nice reminder of where to go. RadioArizonaRV.com. I know what you were thinking, not going there. So today, Thetford, the twist-on safety valve. So this valve is pretty unique and it's pretty darn handy. If you have a leaking 3-inch valve or valve period, because this fits on any bayonet, so whether it's 1.5 inch, 3 inch, this will work. So if your valve is leaking, so in other words, when you get to where you're going or you pull off your cap and your valve's been closed for a few days, but your holding tank has liquid in it, you pull off your cap and liquid comes out. That means your valve's leaking. It's not sealed the way it should be. So maybe you don't have time to get it fixed. You don't want to spend the money right now because sometimes those valves can be kind of spendy to replace, the 3-inch on-off valve. So this would go on, and instead of your cap, you put this on and you keep the valve closed. See, the handle's in the closed position. Then you can put your cap on the back side of it, and now you can take the cardboard off. You don't have to leave it on. In case you were wondering about that, the cardboard does come off. It's just packaging, so we can have the UPC code and put a bunch of sales, pitch stuff on here, like trying to sell it. But no, this thing works. We sell a lot of them. It's pretty handy. It's clever. And it's simple. Now Camco has one, which I'll do that another day. There's a little bit different, costs more money, but I like this one. So this one just goes right on where your cap goes, keep the valve closed. And then, when you get to where you're going, you just leave it on there. You don't have to take it off. So then you get to where you're going. If you're gonna open up the valve to drain it, you open your main valve, and then you would open up this valve. Does that make sense? I hope so. So it's just a fancy cap with a valve, basically, but it saves you the time and money of having to replace your existing 3-inch valve or 1.5-inch valve, whatever you might have that's leaking. So check this out. You can get them just about anywhere. It's the Thetford twist-on waste valve. Very handy, very nice, and it's just a nice valve too. If you're worried about your valve leaking in the future, you can just always have it on there as a extra step, so you never have to worry about pulling off that cap and that nasty stuff comes out and gets all over your hands now, and you wipe your face off accidentally. You know what I mean? It gets nasty. So hey, check this out and subscribe to this channel. Going to be doing new stuff every day.